Good morning, fourth grade. Today we're gonna complete the lesson. Okay, so we talked about forms of behavior in animals. As we talked about, behavior is the way an animal acts. Many behavior help animals to stay alive, reproduce, find food, protect themselves. Okay, so remember that we talked about different kinds of behavior in animals, like a herd of sheep, a gazelle running very fast, look at the picture, a bird building its nest, a spider web with an insect coat in it. And also we talked about squid. Squid releases ink in water to escape from predators. And today we're gonna talk about skunk. This is skunk. Skunk releases bad smelling liquid that make predator run away. Okay, now move to the next page. Here. Before we start in this question, which is the prey and which is predator? Pay attention. Now here, when I say prey, animals that are eaten by other animals. Prey are eaten by other animals. Predator, animals that eat other animals. Okay, now I prepare for you a question. Read the sentences, then write which animal is the predator and which is prey. Number 1. A frog catches a butterfly with its tongue and eats it. So frog catch a butterfly and then eat it. So butterfly is prey and frog predator. Now 2. Owl eats a mouse. So prey, mouse, because mouse are eaten by owl. Owl, predator, because owl eat mouse. A large whale eat fish. So fish, prey, whale, predator. So predator eat other animal and prey eaten by another animal. Okay, now we're gonna complete a lesson. Look at the picture here. We have frog and peacock. We're gonna talk about behavior. Frog makes sound to attract female to reproduce. Peacock spread tail feather to attract female. So frog and peacock make sound, spread tail feather, both of them to attract females. And now, what is the behavior in each picture that helps the animal survive? Picture number 1. Collect fish with each other to protect, like a herd of sheep. Here, a herd of sheep. So collect with each other as a group to protect. 2. It is barking dog. To scare enemies, to make the enemies scaring from the sound. So the dog barking to protect. To protect. And here we have birds, regular birds movement, flying as a long time. So that is the behavior of birds, regular movement, flying together. Okay, so that's for today. Thank you for listening. I will send you, if you have any question, send me. Thank you so much. Goodbye.